Right, how about some Hearthstone Battlegrounds? Overlord, Surfang, and Sky Cap'n Crag. Seeing if any of these are on the tier list. Overlord, Surfang, Sky Captain. Overlord Surfang's not bad. Ooh, I do like that. Gain 1 gold. Increases each turn. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. What is in here? Demons. So we got mechs, murlocs, pirates, quillbore, and demons. Maybe we go pirates. We can always sell it.
I love catching some waves.
Maybe.
Have a good battle, friend. Welcome back. How's it going out there?
So what we do, leave, X immediately. We want to upgrade the tavern, give minions in the tavern a 2-1. Or, we probably upgrade the tavern. Crag is
Keep up the momentum, friend.
D tier, so we made a good choice on our starting hero. Alright.
Oh, it's okay. We all hit some bumps now and then.
Okay. Pirate. Gain 2 gold next turn. The mech, that's a murloc. Gold. I'm gonna get another gold next turn, sure. Let's see if we can get 2 gold next turn. Minions in the tavern, a 1-3.
Don't tell the others. I'm rooting for you.
I kind of have a plan, but I kind of don't have a plan. And right now, it looks like I don't have a fucking plan.
Welcome back. How's it going out there?
Minions in the tavern, a 4-2. Oh, give a minion in the tavern a 4-2. Let's do that. Let's see if we can find... Oh, man. Fuck.
The odds are in my favor.
That kind of sucked. I blew that one.
Go ahead and hire one of these recruits. Have a good battle, friend. going out there?
2 gold next turn. We'll definitely do that. Oh. Sells for 3 gold. Increase your maximum gold by 1.
Better hire a recruit while you can.
See anything in here that interests us? Minion plus 4 attack. Not very good.
Don't tell the others. I'm rooting for you.
I'm way behind. Yeah, I'm fucking way behind. Jesus. Not even close.
The battle is really raging out there.
There are them things. That leaves me minion plus 3 health and a taunt. Pretty much all we can do there. 2s, 3, 4s, all 4s, and 2. Still, I don't have any big hitters. I keep forgetting about this damn thing.
Don't tell the others. I'm rooting for you. It's really raging out there.
Okay, so we know we want that. It's a magnetic. Combine it. Hope for. Oh, we want that. This minion sells for 3 gold.
Better hire a recruit while you can.
catching some.
Don't tell the others. I'm rooting for you.
Oh dear. Ah, fuck, I might be the first one out of this thing.
The battle is really raging out there.
Pirate riding that thing. Her up with feet.
It's good to get some minions in play.
Minion 2-2. Sells her. It.
That one might make all the difference.
Some waves.
You are not out of this yet.
Oh, I wasted. Waste. What a waste. Fucking waste. The fucking waste. God damn.
I've got some fresh recruits for you.
Fucking way.
No one's going to believe this.
I don't even know why I bother. I ain't gonna make it past this one.
It's not the strongest, but it'll fight hard.
So that's a 9-6. Let's see if that
Exactly
combines.
what you were
Combines
looking
into
for.
a 10-8. Discover a tier 3. Battle cry. By some off chance that I happen and we'll upgrade the tavern.
Let's step up our game.
Off chance I happen to win. Yeah, I'm gonna be the first one out. 3 damage.
You can still make a comeback.
I'm done. I'm done. Not even fucking close, man. fuck Murlocs. Murlocs fucking suck. And kiss my ass. Yeah, I'm a little angry. That was a bad game. That was terrible. Anyway, that's my progress. Any tips? Look at that, 8th place, baby. Tips, suggestions, let me know what you think. I'm trying to get better. I'm learning. So, keep at it. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Help me out. Help me get better. Until next time, hoorah.